Hello, and welcome to Lenze training. This tutorial will show you how to do table positioning in i950 using Easy Starter. As we open Easy Starter, we can see that the active application by default is CIA402. We need to change it to table positioning. To change the active application in Easy Starter, go to Settings. Here, you will find the option to set the desired technology application that you wish to. As you click on Change, a pop-up will open. Here, click on the drop-down to view all the available technology applications. Select TA Table Positioning and click on OK. You can see that the active application has changed to Table Positioning. Now let us add suitable parameters to the monitor banner to understand positioning properly. Drag Set Position and Actual Position to the monitor area one by one. Next, we will parameterize the positioning profiles. To do so, go to Settings and from the drop-down, select the option Profiles under Technology Application. Here, you can see 15 types of profile that can be parameterized. Each profile has the parameters such as positioning mode, target position, velocity, acceleration, deceleration, jerk, etc. We will make changes to some of these profiles. Let's start with Profile 1. Change the positioning mode to Relative. Then set target position to 1000. Then let the other parameters be as they are. Just like this, we can change all the profiles that we want. In our case, we will update Profile 1, 2, 4, and 8. After we set all the profiles, we will go to the interface to start the drive via Easy Starter and execute table positioning. To go to Interface, go to Setting, and from the drop-down, select the option Interface under Technology Application. Here, you will see the control word and status word. The advantage is that you can execute and control the application from here as well as view the status. These are the inputs, or the control word, and this is the status word. Check the box Activate Internal Control. This will enable the inputs of the control word for use through Easy Starter. Let's say we want to do jogging. Check the box Enable Operation to enable the drive. Next, select Jog Positive to move the drive in a positive direction. You can see that the motor is moving in a clockwise direction. Status of jogging can be viewed from the status word. Here, we can see jogging as busy. You can also jog in the opposite direction. After we're done with jogging, let's do homing. Check the option Execute Homing. Afterwards, you can see that the set position and the actual position become 0. Also, in the status word, you can see that the drive is homed. Now, let us execute our set profiles one by one. Check the profile that you want to execute. Here, we will execute Profile 1 first. Now, select Execute Positioning. As you select it, you can see that Profile 1 is executing. In the monitor flag, you can see that the set position equals the actual position, that is 1000 unit. In the same way, we can execute each profile one by one. Uncheck Execute Positioning and Profile 1 and select Profile 2. Click on Execute Positioning again. Now the position becomes 3000 unit because we selected Relative Positioning mode in Profile 2. Carry on with the execution of the other two profiles. In our case, position for Profile 1 was set 1000 units, Profile 2 was 2000 units, Profile 3 was negative 1000 units, and Profile 4 was negative 2000 units. So after we execute all the profiles that are in relative mode, we should be at 0 unit position. Here you can see that after executing all the profiles, the current position is 0. This summarizes the setup for table positioning in i950 using Easy Starter. See you in our next video.